Hey everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to write emails faster and better by customizing your toolbar. So if you haven't used Outlook in a while, at the top here you see your customized editor, which are buttons and links that you use the most. So when I'm writing an email, typically I use a lot of insert links or attachments, etc. So you could see at the top here, you could see the normal send, the discard, and the attach. So what we're going to do is come over here and click on Customize Toolbar. So if you use a signature a lot, you would want to come over here and just drag the signature to the toolbar. So now you've got attach and signature. Now what you also want to do is you could do encryption. So if you always wanted to have your emails encrypted, you could drag this over here. Now you could change the format around in order. If you wanted your signature at first, you drag it over here, and then encryption second, as well as options. You could come over here and click on options and then click on done. And now at the toolbar, before you send anything, you could include any of these shortcuts. And that's how you customize a toolbar to make your life easier working with Outlook.